Hey guys, welcome back. Rule 57 of the rules of acquisition is good customers are as rare as latinum. Treasure them. Now latinum is very valuable to the Ferengi, so it's like a good customer is incredibly valuable. So when you've got a good customer, give them something every now and then. Little gift here and there. It's not going to cost you much, but they're always going to keep coming back because reciprocity is a really big thing in marketing. So when it comes down to it, you really should treasure those good customers. If they're people who come to your restaurant, I talk a lot about restaurants. I'm a restaurant marketer. Give them something. Give them like a free dessert or something. Give them something that will make them happy. Because the thing is, a happy customer is a returning customer. And that's at the darkest level. But at the end of the day, you're making them happy as well. So even though it's not necessarily the most well-intentioned thing, it can be very, very nice to just give something to somebody who is giving to you constantly. Anyway, I hope that this has helped, and now you're going to realise that I'm actually lawful evil, or even worse, neutral evil. But on to the next one.